Look at the basic differences between the two. This curves up and it's actually rolled out away from the machine, where this one is flat and comes back in with really no support between the two bars, where this one's solid between the two. I mean, you've got Can-Am versus Dragonfire.
Hey everyone, Brian and Jeff with Wrenches and Rides, and we have in front of us Dragonfire's Nerf bars for the 2017 and up Can-Am X3. And we're putting these on an XRS that happens to have a lot of Can-Am red.
Orange in it. Or
red, orange, yeah, it's really orange.
And surprisingly, the color matches very well.
Yes, it totally takes the 2019 silver, orange, and black machine and it totally adds to it. It's amazing how it looks. And when you put it up and hold it there, I think that's great. This unit here is something that we went different because the stock Can-Am ones they seem to have some problems if you drag them across rocks. Not a lot of support. We just like this design a little bit better.
And we figure we're going to try different markets to let you know which one's better or worse, or
which one holds up in the different situations. Now, if you're familiar with the Can-Am X3, there's little dimples everywhere throughout the machine to tell you where to drill to install different OEM products. This one is a little different.
Dragonfire comes with templates that you cut out, and what we did, we taped them on in the position they belong, drilled the holes, the 1/8 inch guide holes, and then drilled using our hole saw, the 1 1/8 hole.
And that is something that you want to be fairly diligent at, lining them up, drilling your holes, making sure everything's there. Once you drill a couple of the holes through, especially the one in back that's by the seat, you're going to want to pull that seat forward. You're going to have to cut some of that plastic away because you won't be able to drill through it all. And then there's a hole back there that's already pre-cut. You have to cut 4 little tabs out to get that hole out. Other than that, it's pretty simple to put them on. When you're going to put the bolt through the front bottom, you have to just take a little V notch out of the bottom skid plate just so you can throw the bolt through there. Same thing that you would have to do if you did the OEM Nerf bars. The installation is easy. It's probably intimidating if you don't like drilling into your own machine, but it's not hard at all.
And I mean, our back hole was off just slightly. We just took a die grinder and opened it up a little bit. Very simple, don't even notice it.
It's plastic.
Yeah.
I hate to say it, but none of the machines are all perfectly done. So
just be careful and trim whatever you have to.
Yeah. So putting this guy on is good. It looks great, and I think it's a hell of an addition.
Okay guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel and we'll keep you informed on upcoming installs and how these guys fared against the OEM product. Have a great day.